@NCERT video welcomes you. Today we are going to read Chapter 7 Rani's Gift. Let's start Chapter 7 Rani's Gift. Let us read. Once upon a time, Raja Jagdeep wanted to make a beautiful carved bed for his queen. He called his best carpenter from the town. Here a picture is given where Raja is asking to carpenter, I want a bed which is 10 handspans long. Raja says, I want a bed which is 10 handspans long. The carpenter says, okay, Maharaj. Uh, Here carpenter while making the bed 10, measuring the bed 10, the carpenter started making the bed. After making the bed, here queen is sleeping on the bed, says, I am, she says, I am unable to fit in it. Fit in, fit in. I am unable to fit in. Okay, his legs are going out there. After measuring 1, 2, 3, and 8, it is only 8 hand spans. Raja says it is only 8 hand spans. Uh, the carpenter started sweating, but his son thinks, but how is it possible? The boy goes and measures 1, 2, 3, and 14. It is 14 hand spans. This boy says, carpenter sons, it is 14 hand span. Everyone, including the Raja, was confused. Here the mantri comes and says, I have a solution for this. Discuss the solution which was given by the mantri to solve the confusion. What could be the solution given by the mantri to solve the confusion? Actually, all are measuring by using the hand spans, and different person has different hand spans. So there should be exact a meter scale or something to measure the bed so that there is no ambiguity while measuring the bed. Let us do use your textbook to measure the length of the following objects. You have to use your textbook to measure the length of the following objects. Object, desk, estimated length, actual length. By measuring with meter scale or something, you have to write actual length. Estimated means by using your hand spans. Okay. Blackboard, windows. Similarly, measure blackboard and window too. Let us do. Kavita is going to the school from her home. She is getting late. Which path should she use to reach the school fast? Here a picture is given where Kavita is going to school. Which path will be shortest? This path would be shortest. You can measure that. Mark it in the picture given below. You have to mark the shortest path. Let us do choose the longest path from A to B. You have to choose the longest path from A to B. This is the shortest one. This could be the longest. Okay, this is the longest. Also make the shortest path between A and B. Shortest path is this one. Encourage children to verify their choice of path using thread. You can use thread by keeping at point A and moving zigzag like this and measure the length of thread in each case. The first case will be shortest. This is longest. Third one is longest. Ask them to help each other in measuring the length. How many blocks? Here blocks and toys book are given, and one boy and one girl is seeing these toys and blocks. Let me stack the blocks and find the height of my toy. This girl says, let me stack the blocks and find the height of toys. Fill in the blanks. A. Giraffe is dash blocks tall. B. The dash is 7 blocks tall. C. Monkey is dash block tall. D. The dash is 5 block tall. Okay. Okay. Monkey is 2 blocks tall. Monkey is 2 blocks tall. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Elephant is 6 hand span tall. One mistake is there. Elephant is standing on one block. So elephant is 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1, that is 5 blocks tall. The elephant is 5 blocks tall. Is 5 blocks tall. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, camel is 7 block tall. 8, 9. The giraffe is 9 block tall. Giraffe is 9 blocks tall. Okay, you can check your answers and match and see the picture given here. Let us do how long is your hand. Trace your hand in the space given below and count the number of lines. You have to count the number of lines and trace the hand trace your hand in the space given below. Okay, you have to put your hand here and trace the hand here and count the length of your hand. Okay, count the number of lines. Project work: find the length of the following using any tool of your choice: eraser, blocks, pencil. Record your measurement. You can find the length of the following: any wall of your house, length of your bed, length of a door, using the eraser, blocks or pencil, and write it here. Pumpkin chop pal. Look at the picture and compare which vegetable are lighter and or heavier than the other vegetables. I tell you, I am the most. This chili says I am the most lighter, most light. Okay, most light. I am the most light. This pumpkin says I am happier than bottle god. Okay, this pumpkin says I am happier than bottle god. This pumpkin says I am happier than a carrot. I am happier than a carrot. This green chili says I am lighter than cauliflower. I am lighter than cauliflower. This watermelon says I am heavier than pumpkin. I am heavier than pumpkin. What do you think is heavier, pumpkin or watermelon? Okay, there is quite ambiguity which is heavier, pumpkin or watermelon. Watermelon could be heavier or pumpkin could be heavier, depend upon the various condition which what type of pumpkin and what type of watermelon is taken. Fill in the blanks. A muskmelon is heavier than a carrot. Okay, muskmelon is heavier than carrot. It is true. A capsicum is lighter than Okay, capsicum is lighter than cauliflower or potato. C. Dash is heavier than. Okay, bottle gourd is heavier than potato. Okay, or carrot. Carrot. D. Dash is lighter than. Chili is lighter than. Radish. E. Dash is heavier than all. Okay, watermelon could be heavier than all. If watermelon is of bigger size. Dash is lightest of all. Chili is lightest of all. Let us do collect a few things from your surrounding, sort out the lightest and the heaviest among those, arrange all the things in the increasing order of their weight. How do you know which is light and which is heavy? How did you know which is light, which is heavy? You have to collect various things and uh, make estimate about them. Make your own balance. A picture is given here. You have to make your own balance like this using paper cup. Okay, paper cup, thread and hanger like that. Make your own balance with the help of paper cup, thread and a hanger like the one shown here. Now compare any one objects like eraser, ball, bead, pencil, crayon, etc. to see which one is heavier. Let us do circle the heaviest one. A. Pencil, book and bag. Bag is heaviest. B. A bag full of orange, empty bucket and carry on. Bag is okay. Bag full of orange is heavier. Circle the lightest one. A. Doll, gift, eraser. Eraser is lightest one. You have to circle that. B. Ball, matchstick, box and balloon. Balloon is lightest one. You have to circle that. Let us think. Take the vegetable and fruits which we make the balance go down. Mark L for light, light for L and heavy H. A. Pumpkin H and potato L. Similarly, B. Orange L, watermelon H. Heavy. Okay, orange light. Similarly, coconut heavy and mango light L. D. Apple and ladyfinger. Ladyfinger is light, apple is heavy H. Let us do take two paper bags of same size, fill one with stand and the other with dry leaves. Discuss their weight, which bag is heavier. Take two paper bags of same size, fill one with stand and the other with dry leaves. You have to fill one with a stand and other with dry leaves. Discuss their weight. You have to discuss their weight. Which bag is heavier? The bag full of sand is heavier. Look at the picture and discuss the different types of balance used by people in the picture given below. Here a picture is given. Different types of balances picture are given. Take the type of balance you have seen before. If you have seen this spring balance, then you can trick it here. If you have seen grocer's balance, then you can trick it here. uh, if you have seen electronic balance, you can trick it here, or handheld balance, you can trick it here. The balance you have seen, you can trick only that only. You have to trick on that only which you have seen. Fruits in the park. Here a watermelon on one side of a seesaw is given, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 mangoes are given. Okay, watermelon and mango want to play on the seesaw. Watermelon sits on one side, but he could not get up. His friend mango called other mangoes to sit on the other side. A. How many mangoes will balance the watermelon? Okay, 6 mangoes will balance the watermelon. Find out from the picture given above. You have to find out from the picture only. B. How many coconut can balance the watermelon if weight of one coconut is equal to weight of two watermelon? Weight of one coconut is equal to two watermelon means uh, 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 6. 1 watermelon is equal to 6 mango, and 2 mangoes equal to 1 coconut, that is 3 coconut is required to balance one watermelon. 3 coconut is required to balance one watermelon. Project work. Name some of your family members or friends who you think weigh A, almost the same as you, B, more than you, C, less than you. You have to write the name of your family members or friend who weight more than you or less than you or equal to you, almost equal to you, more than you, less than you. The name should be written here. Find out the places where you can check your weight. What is your weight? You have to write your weight here. You can check your weight at school, or at home, or at friend's home, or at doctor or some shop something, or at railway station. Various places are there where weights could be measured. Encourage students to estimate the weight of different object around them in relation to the other object. Teachers work. Let us make nibu pani. Raghu and his friend made nibu pani for Raghu's grandmother. Raghu and his friend made nibu pani for Raghu's grandmother. He used the following things to prepare 1 glass of nibu pani. He used the following things to prepare 1 glass of nibu pani. A. Water 1 glass. B. Sugar 1 spoon. C. Lemon juice 2 spoon. D. A pinch of salt. Okay. 1 glass water, 1 spoon sugar, 2 spoon lemon juice. Now Raghu wants to make nibu pani for himself and his two friends. That is 3 people. Raghu and has to make 3 glasses of nibu pani. Write the quantity of ingredient he has to use to make 3 glasses of nibu pani. Water 3 glass, sugar instead of 1 spoon 3 spoon, water 3 glass, juice 2 and 2, that is 6 spoon, and 3 pinch. Okay, 3 glass water, 3 spoon sugar, and lemon juice 6 spoons, and 3 pinches of salt. Find out Name some drink that are prepared at your home. Find out the ingredients used for making your favorite drink and write them below. Find out the drinks that are prepared at your home and write the ingredients used in making the favorite drink. Name your favorite drink. You have to name your favorite drink and the ingredients and quantity here. Right? Fill it. Find out Raghu's bottle is filled with 4 glasses of water. A. How many glasses of water can fill your bottle? You have to measure how many glasses of water can fill your bottle. You have to write it here. B. How many glasses of water can fill your friend's bottle? You have to write how many glasses of water can fill your friend's bottle. C. Does your friend bottles fill equal more or less amount of water? You have to compare these two and write whether your friends contain more water or less water, or your bottle has uh, less volume or less amount of water, contains less amount of water. You can write it here. Name the friend whose bottle can carry a equal water as yours. You have to write your friend who carry equal water as your. You have to write your name here. B. Less water than yours. Who carry less water than yours. C. More water than your. Who write your name of the friend who carry more water than your. Okay, after measuring everybody's water bottle, you can fill and write their names according to the question. Project work: to make the Jal Tarang musical instrument, arrange 5 to 7 similar glasses of bowl, fill them with varying levels of water. Okay, with the use of various glasses, 5 to 7 similar glasses, fill the bowl, fill them and carry the level of water. Gently tap a spoon on each glass. You have to gently tap on a spoon with of each glass or bowl and hear how each one sound. Tap at each part of the glass and or bowl to fill the difference. You have to tap at different parts of the glass or the bowl and feel the difference. Discuss the uses and importance of water in our life. Also discuss the proper uses and no uses of water, no wastage of water. Okay, teachers work. For more videos you can subscribe NCERT video.